Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. Hello. My name is Lori May Aragon Yadoy, 25 years old, single, and living at Sitio de Pilipi, Gunruno, Quezon, Nueva Vizcaya. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Physical Education. I am also a licensed professional teacher. I passed the licensure examination of teachers last September 2024.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I became a house helper with a couple and 2 kids. I do household chores like doing laundry, cooking, and every stuff they want me to do. I also do tutoring to their 2 children. But I need to stop because I want to prioritize my studying. And I also have a teaching experience during college when I do pre-service teaching, and I did volunteer or substitute teacher in Rodrono Elementary School.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
Ensuring the health and safety of the children has always been our priority since I became a teacher, our experience being a teacher. So when I notice there's something wrong with the children, I do first aid or anything necessity to help them, and then report it to the employers.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I would describe myself as a hardworking, positive, honest, and self-determined when it comes to giving out my job and responsibilities.
Oh.
I always make sure that I do my task properly and carefully so that I can minimize mistakes.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad so that I can provide a better future for my family and to gain experiences as well for my chosen profession.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children? Or if you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
Yes, sir.
Who will take over your responsibilities?
My parents or my siblings, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will stay motivated and keep working hard on my responsibilities and remind myself that I am doing this for my family. Although it's hard to be away to your loved ones, modern technologies allow us to communicate with them through video call and messaging.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep after doing all of my chores or at 10 p.m. and wakes up at 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Ever since I experienced being a teacher, it requires more patience and calm attitude when it comes to dealing with children.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visit with the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them with the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
First of all, I would like to give my sincere gratitude for giving me this opportunity to work at your institution. I promise to do my best in doing all of my works and responsibilities with with dedication and integrity.
Okay.